In January, we sold only one house in Boca Bridges. 8991 Chauvet Way was a 3,956 square foot home that sold for $2,025,000. That comes out to only $511 per square foot. That price is abnormally low. That price per square foot is abnormal as well. And the kicker, this house sold in 1 day. This house had a pool, a 3-car garage. It had the premium elevations in the front of the house. That was an upgrade when you bought this house new. This house sat in a cul-de-sac. This deal was obviously sold at a fire sale price. This is about $150 per square foot lower than the average in Boca Bridges. Even though it didn't have too many fancy things, it still was in a cul-de-sac and it had a nice pool. Regardless of these minimal upgrades, in Boca Bridges, that house should have sold for more money. Thank you for watching. If you find value in these market reports that I do for Lotus, Boca Bridges, 7 Bridges, and The Bridges, please feel free to like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time at the next market report.